Assalamu alaikum dear students, I am your science teacher of class 2. Open your science book, page number 103. Chapter number 16, Healthy Habits. Keep ourselves healthy. In order to stay healthy and clean, we must learn good habits. Islamic and scientific concept. Before eating, you must wash your hand. When you eat, always use clean plate and spoon. Do not chew your nails. Cut your nails once a week. Do not lick your fingers. Before eating, you must wash your hands. Before your nails once a week. Always drink clean and germs-free water in a clean glass. Keep your room clean. Pick up bits of papers from the floor and throw them into the waste paper basket. After you finish your playing, you put your toys back at a proper place. After studying, keep your books on right place. This good habits also makes your life disciplined. When you cough or sneeze, cover your mouth and nose with hanky. Children need about 8 to 10 hours of sleep daily. Rest. Go to bed early at night so that you can wake up early in the morning. Go to the bed late. Stay very small. Go to the bed early. Grow very tall. Brush your teeth before you go to bed. Fitness by playing. We all enjoy playing. We cannot have fun if we are sick, so we must keep fit to be able to have fun. It is good to play outdoors. Exercise makes our body healthy and strong. Try to do exercise daily. Always sit straight, stand straight, and walk upright. Rest, play, and exercise are good habits for health. A daily good bath is the best way to keep your body clean. इस सबक में सेहतमंद रहने के लिए अच्छी आदतों के बारे में बताया गया है। नंबर 1, खाना खाने से पहले और बाद में हमें अपने हाथों को अच्छी तरह वॉश करना चाहिए। नंबर 2, खाना खाने के लिए साफ़ सुथरी प्लेट और स्पून का इस्तेमाल करना चाहिए। नंबर 3, अपने नेल्स को नहीं चबाना चाहिए। नंबर 4, अपने घर को साफ़ सुथरा रखना चाहिए। नंबर 5, जल्दी सोना चाहिए ताकि हम सुबह फ्रेश उठ सकें। नंबर 6, हमें रोज़ाना वर्जिश करने की कोशिश करनी चाहिए। नंबर 7, खांसते या छींकते वक्त हमें रुमाल या टिश्यू पेपर का इस्तेमाल करना चाहिए। हमें उम्मीद है कि तमाम बच्चे इन अच्छी आदतों पर ज़रूर अमल करेंगे। See the page number 106. Activity: write do or don't in the given blanks. In this activity, we should be or we should be not. Number 1, dash, use tissue paper when you cough or sneeze. Do, use tissue paper when you cough or sneeze. Number 2, dash, spit everywhere. Don't spit everywhere. Number 3, dash, flush the toilet after use. Do flush the toilet after use. Number 4, dash, write on the walls. Don't write on the walls. Number 5, dash, turn off the water tap after use. Do turn off the water tap after use. Write a few sentences related to the picture below. Also color it. Sentence that we learned related to this picture is: Number 1, brush your teeth before you go to bed. Second sentence that we learned related to this picture is: go to bed early at night. Number 3 sentence that we learned related to this picture is: go to bed early, comma, grow very tall. See the page number 107. Take true or false for the following statements. Number 1, our body gets dirt and dust from the air when we play. This statement is true. Number 2, soap is used to dry the body after a bath. This statement is false because soap makes our body clean. Number 3. We always use our dirty towel. This statement is false because we always use a clean towel. Number 4. We must wash our hands before and after eating. This statement is true. Number 5. We must brush our teeth once a week. This statement is false because must brush your teeth twice a day. Take the suitable answer. Number 1. We must keep our body dash. Clean, dirty. Clean. Take mark on clean. Number 2. We must wash our hands with soap. Soil, soap. Take mark on soap. Number 3. Bright teeth help us to look dash. Nice, dirty. Nice. Take mark on nice. Number 4. We must keep our hair dash. Trim, shabby. Trim. Tick mark on trim. See the page number 108. Take the correct choice. Number 1. We get rest when we dash. A. Sleep. B. Play. C. Exercise. Sleep is a correct answer. Tick mark on sleep. Number 2. Number 2. Children need about dash sleep every day. A. 2 hours. B. 10 hours. C. 24 hours. B. 10 hours is a correct answer. So take mark on 10 hours. Number 3. Exercise makes your body dash. A. Weak. B. Strong. C. Lazy. Strong is our correct answer. Tick mark on strong. Number 4. We cannot have fun if we are dash. A. Healthy. B. Sick. C. Happy. Sick is our correct answer. Tick mark on sick. Number 5. Play and rest make you dash. A. Fresh. B. Bored. C. Lazy. Fresh is a correct answer, so tick mark on fresh. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. Always cover your mouth and dash when you cough or sneeze with a hanky. Always cover your mouth and nose when you cough or sneeze with a hanky. Number 2. Do not spit dash. Do not spit everywhere. Number 3. Do dash the water tap after use. Do turn off the water tap after use. Number 4. Do not dash your nails. Do not chew your nails. Number 5. Do not dash your chewing gum just about
Anywhere.
do not throw your chewing gum just about
Anywhere.
Fill in the blanks by using the words given below. Early, play, rest, straight, strong. Number 1. It is good to dash outdoors. It is good to play outdoors. Number 2. Exercise makes our body dash. Exercise makes our body strong. Number 3. We should sit and stand dash. We should sit and stand straight. Number 4. Play and dash make you fresh. Play and rest make you fresh. Number 6. We must go to bed dash. We must go to bed early. This is the end of today's lecture. Complete your work on time. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.